No, I'm just saying because y'all were together in the restroom. Nah, I mean, I'm just saying. Okay. Hey, you know you sound like that black lady from the sitter. Come on, hurry up. I don't got your time, man. Hurry up. We gotta go. Alright? Now I'm leaving, bro. Come on. Hold on. Come on.
Yeah, he's crap. Can't do this.
Yeah, you can. With your hand.
Oh, man.
Open it up. Open it up with your hand, dude. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Hold on, record whenever I'm bust up. Whenever they're about to get close to the door. Come on, man! Let's go!
Alright, come on.
I'm gonna jump through the window! Oh shit! Alright, we're just playing. Alright. Get inside, man. Get inside. We're just playing. Come on, man.
Dude,
come on.
imagine if you would have jumped.
Man. Oh, come on, alright.
He's gonna do it a third time.
Alright, get inside. Really. Come on.
What's good?
Alright, we actually gotta go.
Like that, buddy, watching
Tony, bro.
Just take off.
Nah.
No, just take off.
Alright.
Nah.
Come on. Gotta go. Goes to go.
Tony, bro. What the?
Oh shit. We just left these motherfuckers. Oh shit.
Well, we just pranked him.
No, see you later, man. Nah, let's go.
Nah, let's go get him.
Let's go get him.
Alright.
Christian's gonna be like, Dad, he got out. He left.
Where they at?
They're gonna be
Where
back.
they?
They're coming back.
Watch, Christian's gonna start acting like a little girl. No, I don't wanna get in.
Alright.
Then we'll just take the